rather, but it happens. Uy, Ronaldo. Would you rather have...
hairstyle or be entirely bald?
Okay, would you rather a random hairstyle na lang?
Look at this dude. Look at his hair.
Bro, I like it! I like it so much! Oh, thank you. So, yan, no! Diba yung tsura niya kanina? So, would you rather na ulit?
Would you rather be way too tall or be too short?
Way too tall or way too short? I'm gonna make this time. Bro! Okay. Dali na to. Would you rather...
Would you rather wear a tutu or be an egg for 15 seconds?
Ito na lang. Bro, what happened? Bro! Lang ganda, B. Para... Oh, eh. So, naiwanan tayo ng ating mga kasama. So, yan. Would you rather save the babies or save the
Would you
cookie?
rather save the babies
Look.
or save the cookie?
Be, ano yung mo yung cookie, Be? Be, save the babies. Oh, diba? Ano mo yung cookie, Be? Cookie. Ay, pag ganun pala. Ba't kasi dyan ako? Ganda guys na hairstyle ko for today. So, keep going. Would you rather have a one...
have one Robux beggar or have 5 Robux beggars?
Come on, don't be a brokey. Just 5 Robux. Come on, bro. I want to buy a new avatar. Come on, bro. No! Don't ignore me now. Don't ignore me now. I'm going to get
Bro!
Rather have a burger.
Burger?
Freeze.
Don't be a
Price, Be.
Just 5
Ano tayo?
Robux, bro. I want to buy a new avatar. Now!
No!
Don't ignore me now.
I have a
I'm going
price.
to get angry. Avatar. Come on, don't be a brokey. Can I have some room?
No!
Save
6, 7.
7
67.
or save your friend.
Oh my god, that's so hard!
Buy a new avatar. Come on, don't be a brokey. Can I have some Robux?
No.
Just 5 Robux. Robux, bro.
Ano naman?
Don't ignore me now. I'm going to get angry. Come on.
No, so sorry, 67. Immortal ka naman eh.
Robux, please.
No, you can't.
Robux. Come on, bro.
No?
Buy a new avatar. Now.
No?
Don't ignore me now. I'm going to get angry. Come on, don't be a brokey.
Dahil mag-angry ka dyan, wala
Would
kang
you rather
pake.
join the group and like the game
Robux. Come on, bro.
or be stuck in detention?
No way!
I'm going to get angry.
Dito tayo.
Come on, don't be a brokey. Can I have some Robux, please?
Be, kanina ka pa, hampas ko sa'yo itong...
Bro, I want to buy a new avatar. Now.
Okay, dyan ka muna kung gusto nyo.
Don't ignore me now. I'm going to get angry.
Hindi magalit ka, wala kang pake. Nako. Would you rather...
Would you rather own an annoying chicken or own an annoying cow?
Gusto ko cow. Wala, ano yung chicken? Oh, sige. Wala kasi. Wala. Wala mo na siya.
Would you rather be an e-girl or shrink down 75%?
Be, ang ingay mo. Would you rather sound like a boy?
Sound like a girl.
A boy. Uy, joke lang yun.
Try typing in chat to hear your voice.
Meow. Ooh. Joke lang, are mo. Hi. Ooh.
Hi, you.
Ba't ganon, B? Ba't ganon yung sound niya, B? Hindi naman siya pang girl na. Ay, nako, yain na. Maganda siya. Would you rather
Would you rather have banana
have banana arms,
Banana
have
legs.
banana legs? Be, ang hirap maglakad pag banana legs. Ito na. Banana. 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 Ano ako pa? Would you rather
Would you rather have a homeless man follow you or have a crying baby follow you?
Crying baby, I guess. Give lollipop. Kasi wala kang lollipop. Bi, wala, Bi. Homeless din ako, Bi.
Would you rather be fat or be skinny?
Baby skinny, baby skinny. Wala akong na-accept. Labat ko yung kuko. Wala na accept dito. Would you rather? Hanggang kailan ba tong would you rather na to? Di, pero naglo-loading na kasi ako.
Would you rather watch the duck song or complete an obby?
Daksang. Daksang. Lang cute! Be, kaso naghahang na ako. Kita niyo ba? Naglalag ako. So, siguro hanggang dito muna. No? Panoorin na lang natin to. So, siguro hanggang dito na muna. No? Till the very next day. Lang cute ni guys.
The man said, well, like I said yesterday, we just sell lemonade, okay? Why not give it a try? The duck said, goodbye. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled
Lang
away,
cute ng ducklings.
then he waddled away,
Ducklings.
waddle, waddle.
Till the very next
Day,
day.
bum, 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 bum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, and he said to the man, run in the sand, hey, bum, 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 got any grapes? The man said, look, this is getting old. I mean, lemonade's all we've ever sold. Why not give it a go? The duck said, how about no? Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle.
Okay. Yun lang guys. So, yun na muna. So, din naman ako, oh. Ganda na kanina eh. Pero okay lang yan. So, yun lang guys. Sana nagustuhan itong video to. And, again, ako na pala sa ating chat 250. And don't forget, and before